Good morning. It's Lori. Welcome to my crazy life. I'm coming to you from the parking lot at CVS. I know it's crazy. It is literally 8:30 in the morning on Thursday. And last night I was watching Bargain Beauty like you do. And she showed a unadvertised sale on some not makeup products, beauty supplies, beauty product, tools at CVS. And I'm like, I know somebody in my life who will need these next year for Christmas. So I got up this morning. I mean, clearly I'm a hot mess, but whatever. Jumped in my car into CVS, and I want to share them with you because you need to get to CVS ASAP if you want to take advantage of these. I have my coffee. Please don't worry. Delicious. Okay. It's the 360 beauty product, CVS brand. I bought the brushes, but they also have like the nail tools, like the cutter thingies and the cuticle dealies. My store's marked. Her store was not. But in the 360, it's the blue label stuff. They might be our new packaging. I'm not really sure. And then the brushes are 75. Some of them. A couple were 50, and I was like, no, we don't need those. But these were 75. So I'm going to go over with you what I got and how much they were. Because this is fantastic deals, guys. Even if birthdays, Christmas. I mean, it is not too early to start your Christmas shopping for next year. These are not going to go bad. Okay. First thing, I'm just going to go by my receipt because it's going to be easier than trying to remember. I picked up this 6-piece beauty brush. And I feel like they're dusty. So I'm assuming, oopsies. Well, I'll take that. Oh, and it comes with a little bag. So it must be like a little travel set because it does come with a little travel bag. Oh, they are very soft, good quality brushes. I'm going to tell you right now. I mean, they're not mink, but I would never use mink anyway. So, they're nice. Okay, the person I have in mind, actually I have a couple persons in mind, will be thrilled to get these. So, I do need to tape it though. This set was originally $12.99. I'm not sure why I'm blurry today. $12.99, 75% off, made it $3.24. $23.24 for that. Beautiful. And I like the bamboo. Then we got and I'm not sure if this is mine or gifting. It's the stand brush, because I do need a new like powder brush. And it's very substantial, but it stands up and it's got the short top to it. This was regularly $9.99. I got it for $2.49. I mean, how beautiful is that? Then the next one, I got two of the same, because one is for me and one is for my person. A foundation brush. I use these for under the eye and like in my nose area, and this when I blend. And these were $7.99 at 75% off, were $1.99 each. Like what? And foundation, a blush brush, an individual blush brush, which who doesn't need those, was $7.99. I got it for $1.99. I mean, what? This is crazy. They're like paying me to take this stuff home. And then I picked up, these are for me. I love these things because I just like smoothing out my nails. This is a 3-sided one. And there is a file, a smooth, and a polish. And I do all my nails before I paint them. These were $4.19 a piece. I got them for $1. And I buy these at the Dollar Tree all the time, but these, not this brand. This brand is definitely a better quality. So, all the giftings. I gotta go home and set up a Christmas box. I've already got 2 people. Small things for it, nothing major. Total came to like $11 and something, because it's not on here, which is kind of weird to me. I think I had a $3 off cosmetics on my card. I got a coupon in the mail. I was like, how did this come to zero? So there was a $3 off CRT that was emailed to me, which I always just send them to my card just in case, and it took it off of this. So if you had the 3 off of cosmetics, it worked on these. So I got a $3 off cosmetics, and then I gave her $10 in ECBs, because again, I'm trying to use up some of them. So they only used $7.78, so I lost like 23 cents. Who cares? So my subtotal was 0, and I paid 53 cents in tax. So that's how I get good deals. But you have to kind of put some time and effort forth to do it. Like, I had to go to the store today. I heard about it last night. There was very little left already. So you got to get in there and check out the deals. So that was my happy CVS moment. I had to share it with you, like, right now. Right now. I'm going to... Focus on me, ma'am. I'm going to head out and do a couple more errands, and then I'm going to go home and enjoy my day. So y'all have a great Thursday. Happy New Year coming up, and I will talk to you later. Bye.